In this video, you'll learn how to add an email link to your resume using Canva. First, type into the search bar to find resume templates in Canva. Once you've entered your query, select the resume option from the search results to continue. Then, pick a resume template like Borcel Studio and click the Customize this template button to open it for editing. Next, zoom in on the resume so you can easily add your email address. Next, type your email address into the appropriate fields. Select the email address in your contact section to add or edit a clickable email link. Now, click Link option and highlight the Contact or Education section and click on the website link icon to insert or update your email link. After adding your email, click Done to confirm and test the email link by clicking it within the design. Use the Options menu to make edits and update the link or email address if necessary. Once you're finished, click Done again and copy the email address to use elsewhere if needed. Finally, we've successfully added the email link to our resume. You've now learned how to add an email link to your Canva resume.